Hi, my name is Kanifol. In this video, I show you how to stream over-the-board games on PawnTown. You need a PawnTown account and you also need the WhitePawn app. You find links to both in the description. If you sign in into your PawnTown account, you want to click on your account on the top right, go to Settings, then go to Stream and scroll to the whole bottom. And then I already have created a token. But if you don't have any token, you can just create a token by clicking here and then clicking on Generate New Token. So if you have this token generated, click on the QR code icon here. And then let's switch to the WhitePawn app. If you open up the WhitePawn app here, you see on your home screen on the top right corner, PawnTown. Click that, you get to the sign-in screen. You can say scan token QR code. Then let's scan the token QR code and boom, we are authorized. We see our streaming URL in the bottom and then we just go back. And now we see it's green and my username is displayed below the PawnTown text. Okay, so that's it. We are connected to PawnTown with our WhitePawn app. So everything set up. You can scroll to the top here on the page and you get stream delay, live evaluation options, you get auto position enhancements, and you can also export as MP4, but this is very experimental. I really recommend you to turn on auto position enhancements and also to turn on live evaluation if you want to show an evaluation bar. Further, you can change the move notation here, but we just leave it to algebraic in this tutorial here. Okay, so we leave it as it is and we are ready to go. Next thing is setting up the chessboard. So we have an DGT chessboard here, but you can use every chessboard that is compatible with the WhitePawn app. If you want to see a list of the compatible chessboards, you can go to whitepawn.app. Link is also in the description. So we are using the DGT Rosewood chessboard. So let's turn it on. And if you have a chess clock you want to connect to the chessboard, you can do that also and turn on the chess clock. So, okay, let's now connect from the WhitePawn app. So, inside the WhitePawn app, we want to go to chessboards and then select our chessboard. In my case, I already connected to it. But if it's the first time you connect the WhitePawn app to your chessboard, you want to hit the small plus icon in the top right corner and search your chessboard and connect it to the WhitePawn app. In our case, it's the DGT board, so I can connect to it, and we are connected now. I can quickly check here if it works. We see it works perfectly fine, and we see clock is also connected. So, next thing, very important. If you want to stream a real chess event or you want to stream an over-the-board game, it's really important to go to the PawnTown, click on the PawnTown icon and then start sharing from here. And then open the stream board and stream from there, because I can also show you what else you could do. You could also do multiplayer offline game, which also works. You can also stream that to the PawnTown website, but the difference is that it will stop on every illegal move. So it will just stop broadcasting basically. And you probably don't want this in a live match, right? You want to have a representation of the real chess board every time on the website, even though if the app thinks it's an illegal move or something. So if you want to just distribute the chessboard, hit again on PawnTown and then open the stream board here. That's the stream board. You see also the clock is directly displayed down here. Okay, and then you can change player names. You can change the white player name or you can change the black player name if you want to. Okay, so we leave that open now. And now we switch to the PawnTown website. Okay, we see I'm streaming here. Okay, so we are on the stream right now. And that's it. We can play now and everything gets streamed to the website. So let's test it real quick. So we do a move, the move will get distributed to the website. So now we can just play the game. And let's say we play sloppy and some moves disappear. It will still just work. Let's say I just played this, for example, which is completely illegal, and then he played this. It still will work because you're in the stream mode, which is for streaming. Exactly. I hope this tutorial helps you to set up your PawnTown stream. And if you have any questions, feel free to post them below. See you soon. Have fun playing.